Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get free Nintendo gift card codes and free Nintendo eShop codes for 2024. These are pretty cool. You can get a $100 code and it's super easy, guys. It only takes a few minutes. So let me get into the tutorial. Make sure you follow all of the instructions and let's do this. Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm recording this video, guys, to show you a working method in 2024 on how to get free Nintendo eShop codes. This is a working method. This is gonna get you a code that you can redeem within the Nintendo eShop, and it's basically a gift card code, guys. It's gonna give you a balance to spend, which is more than enough, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So you need to open up, you can see I'm using my mobile phone. You need to, of course, open up an internet browser, and you need to go to this website, guys. Make sure you type it the same as I'm going to be typing it: www.wavycoupons.com. So you need to go to wavycoupons.com, guys. This is the website you need to go to, guys. You can see it there. Basically, this is pretty cool. They have lots and lots of different pages that are gonna save you cash. So basically, guys, you just need to go to the search bar here and search for Nintendo, and this is gonna pop up, guys, Nintendo gift card codes. So click on that page and you can see, guys, there are a few different codes that you can choose from. There is a $100 eShop gift card code. There's also any game code, and also Nintendo Switch Online. So you basically just have to select. You can get a $100 eShop gift card code, which is good. So yeah, click on like show coupon, and you can see, guys, you need to unlock your code. Obviously these codes are pretty valuable. So I've already done this loads of times, but basically you've got to tap unlock code and you're going to see a new screen pop up, basically going to tell you what you need to do to unlock your code. But yeah, once you get your code, you can just literally redeem it within the eShop, and it's going to give you $100, which is, like I say, you can purchase like one of the latest games, or maybe two. You can see $100 goes quite a long way within the eShop. So yeah, that's it, guys. You got to go ahead and go to wavycoupons.com and just search for the Nintendo page. But you can see they have tons of different they even have some Nintendo Switch games on here as well. So yeah, hope you enjoyed, guys. Hit that like button if you got your free code, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.